the team, the squad, to use, it's a Spotify terminology. The squad is everybody we need to get a story from, to get from an idea, an epic, to story that is done eventually in production actually. So we got all type of skills. We got business specialists, we got tech specialists, sometimes we got UX designers, sometimes we got people who are specialists in deployment infrastructure and everything. And we have all these skills. What we don't care is who's going to do what. So if you remember yesterday, when you've been introduced, when you introduced yourself, the question was, what do you think you are like? What's your contribution to the project? What's going to be your role? And everybody said, I'm going to do this and I'm going to do that. And I'm going to hold you, or you're going to do whatever you want. Like everybody, actually. If Suji want to have a look at the code because she thinks she can find a bug and there's no developer around, Suji, my understanding is you're not super good at coding, right? That's not your primary skill.
No.
Okay. But if there's nobody around and you feel like you can give it a shot, nobody's stopping you. You guys are a team. Imagine a basketball thing. I'm a defender, but my team is scattered, but so is the opponent team, and I'm in front of the hoop, the basket, right? Okay. And I got the ball, and there's nobody, but I'm a defender. I'm not supposed to be a shooter. What do? I freaking take the shoot, even though that's not my primary role. The people who are in front of it and have a shot, they shot. That's what we say. Now, we'll try to find an organization, but who's going to do which task is not important. At least I can tell you, for everybody around outside of your squad, it doesn't matter. You are self-organized, which means you are all co-responsible of what's happening. You think the product looks like crap and you're a coder? Well, you're right. You should talk about it. That's your problem too. You're the product owner and you think the code quality is crap, or you heard that the code quality is crap, like it's badly written. Yeah, that's also your problem. Of course, you're not the best to talk about it, and that's not your skill. But what we don't want to hear is, hey, that's not my problem. Yeah, it is. You're part of the squad. Everything is your problem. And that's how you have more responsibility in an agile team than anywhere else. Everybody is responsible for everything ultimately. Now, you can contribute, of course, only where you can contribute. So you're co-responsible, and what we say is we want maximum bandwidth. We don't use managers in an agile team. There is no single point of contact person. There is no OSF and L'Occitane. This is a L'Occitane project with different partners contributing, but in the middle of that team, we're flat. We're all in it. Everybody wins, everybody loses. If it's a bad product, everybody loses. If it's a great product, everybody wins. The individual contribution, look, we think there's at least more value in, even or more value in the collaboration and the joint work than actually the work itself as a source of performance. But basically, you're in it together. So what's happening between you guys is happening between you guys. All right, so that's for the team. Now, of course, you can get into more details. As basketball players, you will want to have a system. You will want to talk about it, but you don't have to get into the details.